In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing materials in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll walk through 3 simple actions: crafting a clear prompt, pressing enter to send it, and giving Gemini a moment to generate your marketing piece. Along the way, I'll share tips to make your results more polished and on brand. Start by opening the Gemini Windows app and getting ready to write your prompt. The quality of your prompt determines the quality of the output, so be specific about what you want and who it's for. For this example, you can type exactly, "Create a marketing poster for a new coffee brand." Include a bold headline, product highlights, price or promo, and visually appealing design. That covers the essentials: the format you need, the key elements to include, and the overall creative direction. If you want to guide Gemini further, add a sentence or two about tone, audience, and style. Mention whether your brand voice is cozy and artisanal or bold and modern, and note any color palette or vibe you're aiming for, like warm coffeehouse tones or clean, minimalist design. If you already know where this poster will appear, you can include context such as for a storefront window or for social media, which helps Gemini shape the layout and emphasis appropriately. You can even ask for multiple variations in one go by saying something like, "Provide 2 or 3 distinct options," so you have choices to review. When your prompt looks clear and complete, press enter. Gemini will start processing, and you'll typically see a brief indicator while it generates your draft. Behind the scenes, it's assembling headline ideas, product highlights, pricing or promo copy, and suggestions for visual hierarchy and layout. If your prompt asked for a bold, eye-catching headline and specific product benefits, expect the result to reflect that, often with callouts for flavor notes, sourcing, or special offers. This may take a while, especially if your request is detailed or stylistically complex. Be patient and let Gemini finish. Once the draft appears, read it top to bottom. Check that the headline feels strong, the product highlights are accurate and enticing, and the price or promo is clear and easy to spot. If something feels off, refine your original prompt with a brief note like, "Make the headline shorter," emphasize the limited time discount, or use warmer colors, then press enter again to regenerate. Small, targeted adjustments usually lead to fast, noticeable improvements. That's all there is to it. Write a thoughtful prompt, press enter, and give Gemini a moment to craft your marketing poster. With a clear request and a couple of quick refinements, you'll have compelling materials ready to share.